Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRain 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to summarize your Apple Watch. Now in our opinion, a good way to summarize your Apple Watch is to add a splash of color or splashes of color to your Apple Watch band. And so in today's video we're going to feature 3 sports bands by a company called EWAP Cert 2. Now as you can see, we have the watch band sitting here. Of course, we have our Apple Watch. And we're going to take a quick look at the bands. The bands come in 3 different colors. Comes in the blue here. And as you can see, the silicone band has breathable holes in it. And we have colors such as yellow, orange, and red. And on this side, we have green, blue, and I think that's red. And so that's the blue band. So that's a pretty good looking band there. Also comes in white. And the white is made up the same way too. You got the yellow, orange, and red. And if you look on this side of the band, you have the green, blue, and I think that's actually purple. So that may have been purple on that blue band. And then we have our black band. And it's made up the same way with the yellow, orange, and red. Then you have the green, blue, and purple. So I guess it was purple on the blue band. But all 3 of these bands look pretty good. Now, if you guys are interested in these bands, we will leave links for you down in the description area. You can pick them up off of Amazon, and they're pretty inexpensive, only $12.99. As you can see here, we have our Apple Watch here, and it just has a basic band on it, which is a black silicone band. So, not a whole lot of personality, but if you add bands like this to your watch, you will definitely add some pizzazz to the watch. So what we want to do real quick is try each band on and let you see what it looks like on the watch, and give you a better idea on if it's something that you would like. So we're going to pull off our black watch band here, and then we're going to slide on the blue one real quick and slide that on there, and then this is on here. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. I think it looks really good on the watch, especially the watch being a gray, and of course the face being black. And of course, as you can see, it just loops to fasten it. It just tucks in here, and you snap it into that hole, and it comes out there. And so that looks very, very nice in my opinion. So that's the blue. We're going to pull off the blue real quick, try the white on. So we're going to hit those buttons on the bottom of the watch to remove the watch band, and we're going to put the blue back down there, and now we're going to grab the white and slide the white on there. And so that is what the white watch band looks like. So of course from this side you got your red, your orange, and your yellow, and then on this side here you have the purple, blue, and green. So that is definitely pops of color or splashes of color. So next we're going to get the black, grab our black band and put it on the watch too to see how it actually looks. Just going to slide these bands a little closer down here, and I'm going to grab the black band and slide that on like so. And that is what the black band looks like. Got your orange and red and yellow, or red, orange, yellow. And then on the other side you have your green, blue, and purple. Now I went on to cut the watch on this time, and I got kind of a rainbow effect for a watch face. And so that looks pretty good. So there you have it. This is what the black looks like. So overall, I think these bands are very nice. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with TechRain 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.